Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm reviewing a product that has become a favorite for many, especially for those who love to keep their beverages hot or cold for hours. Meet the Stanley Quencher H2.0 FlowState stainless steel vacuum insulated tumbler with lid and straw. This versatile tumbler promises to keep you hydrated in style. Let's dive into its features, benefits, and why it might just be the perfect companion for your daily hydration needs. Product features and description. The Stanley Quencher H2.0 tumbler is a premium-grade product designed to cater to both functionality and style. 1. High-quality material. Crafted from 18/8 stainless steel, it is BPA-free, ensuring safety and eco-friendliness. 2. Advanced insulation technology. Double-wall vacuum insulation keeps drinks cold for up to 11 hours. Hot beverages stay warm for 7 hours. Ice stays intact for up to 2 days, making it ideal for iced drinks. 3. Innovative lid design. The FlowState lid technology ensures smooth sipping while preventing spills. It also features a reusable straw, making it suitable for both sipping and drinking directly. 4. Convenient and stylish design. Its slim base fits most car cup holders. Available in a variety of trendy colors and finishes to match your style. 5. Large capacity. With a 40-ounce capacity, it's perfect for staying hydrated throughout the day, whether you're at work, at the gym, or on a road trip. 6. Easy to clean. Dishwasher-safe materials ensure hassle-free cleaning. 7. Eco-friendly. By using this tumbler, you can reduce single-use plastic waste, making it a sustainable choice for daily use. Additional features. Durable construction. The stainless steel build resists scratches, dents, and everyday wear and tear, ensuring it lasts for years. Versatile usage. Whether you're drinking water, coffee, iced tea, or smoothies, this tumbler adapts to your needs. Comfortable grip. Its ergonomic handle makes it easy to carry, even when it's full. Why you'll love it. 1. Perfect for active lifestyles. Whether you're heading to the gym, going on a hike, or commuting to work, this tumbler keeps your drinks at the perfect temperature. 2. Travel-friendly. The slim design fits in most car cup holders, and the spill-proof lid makes it ideal for on-the-go use. 3. Stylish and functional. Its sleek, modern design makes it a great accessory while providing unmatched utility. User reviews. Sarah from California, I've been using this tumbler for a month now, and it's a game changer. My coffee stays hot for hours, and it's perfect for my iced drinks during workouts. John from Texas, I love the sturdy build and the spill-proof lid. It's now a must-have for my camping trips. Drawbacks to consider. While the Stanley Quencher H2.0 tumbler is an excellent product, here are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Price. It's slightly more expensive compared to regular tumblers, but the quality justifies the cost. 2. Size. The 40-ounce size might feel bulky for some users, especially if you're looking for something compact. Who should buy this? This tumbler is perfect for busy professionals who want their coffee hot during long meetings, fitness enthusiasts who need a reliable water bottle for the gym, travelers looking for a durable and eco-friendly hydration solution, anyone tired of single-use plastic cups and bottles. So, if you're looking for a premium tumbler that combines style, functionality, and sustainability, the Stanley Quencher H2.0 FlowState tumbler is worth considering. Whether you're at home, work, or outdoors, this tumbler is designed to make your hydration routine effortless and enjoyable. If you've used this product, share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, stay hydrated and take care.